Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a button in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the options you have. After logging in, you can see your dashboard right here where we can find our website. So what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the website that we want to add the button for. So you can open it up right here. And after opening up our website, it's going to look like this. This is the main page where we can preview all the website info. We have our products and services, content, and so on. What we want to do to be able to add a button is go right here and click the edit button at the top of the screen. After clicking on edit, it's going to open up our website in edit mode. As you can see, we can edit our site header, footer, and so on. And here is our main section where we can get started with adding our button. Basically guys, all we have to do to be able to add a button is find this add block option in our section. So add block is the option that we're going to use for adding blocks to our website, and one of the blocks, as you can see, is going to be called button. So what you can do is go ahead and select the button you want to add, and you can put it wherever you want. You can rename it and you can select where you want to take it. So as you can see, by clicking the edit button, you can select the content and you can attach the link it's going to take you to, and so on, and start editing your button as you wish. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.